Hello everybody, my name is Seth Kwekubani and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright, so now the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to leave a link to this logo in the description for you to download. Okay, so when you download it, just double click it. So this is the logo mockup. It's a 3D copper logo. Okay, and then you design your logo. Take your time and design your logo. Okay. Okay, so I want to say this. Okay, make sure every white object around the image are all off. In other words, make sure it's in PNG. Okay, make sure every space is deleted, and so you can see it's only the word hot that is there, and then the color, but then the holes over there I have deleted them. Okay, we do not want any white object appearing, so you can type your words as well. I want to type food over there, enlarge it a little bit, push it this way, pull it here, resize it. Okay, I think this is good. Take your pen to here. Okay. Yeah, take your text to type here. The best so far. Okay. Okay, let's go here, and then let me enlarge the size over here. So let me change it to century or century. Okay, I think it should be in small letters, the best. Make sure the B over there is in caps, and then the S is also in caps, and then the F is also in caps as well. And then let's increase the spaces around it. The best so far in the world. See, this is the motto. So this, yeah, let's just assume that this is their motto. Let's bring it down. Okay, let's make it color black. Let's make it color black. Let's make it color black. Okay, alright. Also, we want to create a hole in the food, okay, in the whole logo, and so you click on this one, hold control and click on it, on the T. Okay, then I'll come to this, click here, make sure you click over here for food to disappear. Come back here, double click this side, and then click invert. Now if you don't understand, please go back and then we'll try it again. Okay, follow the video, you will understand. So now the hole has been created. If I click on the eye over here, the words are still going to come, but I don't want the word to come. I just want to create a hole in the logo itself. Okay, so that's what I just did. Now I think we are done. Let's go back here, click on Shift, Control and Alt, and then click on E to put everything on one layer for you. Okay, so now I can mute everything. Always make sure your background is off before you click on the Shift, Control and Alt. Okay, if your background is not off, you're still going to have a white. We don't want to have a white background in it at all. Alright, so now let's go to our logo. Double click here where it says your logo. Again, the link to this is going to be in the description. Let's go and pick it and then put it in there. So the target document is different from, don't worry, click on yes. Alright, click on yes. Make sure you mute the preview. Click on cancel here this side and then click on yes. It says changes, click on yes. Okay, great. Alright, so it's not converting it for us. Alright, so now let's go back to our logo, the 3D copper logo, and there we have it. So that's your logo for you. And so thank you for watching, guys. I'm so grateful. Click on the bell icon and subscribe as well, so that anytime I release new videos you will receive them. Thank you very much. Peace out.